In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Confluence. Archiving is a great way to keep your workspace clean and organized without permanently deleting anything. When you archive a page, you're basically tucking it away where it's out of sight for everyday use, but still available if you need to reference it later. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of archiving a Confluence page, and I'll also share a few practical tips so you feel confident using this feature. First, make sure you're logged into Confluence and you're on the page you want to archive. Take a moment to double check that this is really a page you no longer need in your active workspace, but might want to keep for reference. Archiving is perfect for old project pages, outdated documentation, or content that's no longer relevant to current work, but still has historical value. Now, look toward the top right area of the page. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Actions or Overflow menu. This is where Confluence keeps additional page options that don't fit in the main toolbar. Move your cursor over to those 3 dots and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on the page. In that drop-down menu, scan through the options until you find the one labeled Archive. The exact position in the list can vary depending on your Confluence version or any add-ons you might have, so don't worry if it's not in the same place every time. Once you've found Archive, go ahead and click it. After you click Archive, Confluence may show you a small confirmation window or prompt, just to make sure you really want to archive this page. This is your chance to pause and confirm that you selected the correct page. If everything looks good, click Archive again in that confirmation prompt. At this point, the page will be moved out of your active space and into the archive. It won't appear in your normal page tree anymore, which helps keep your workspace cleaner and easier to navigate. However, the content is not deleted. You can still search for it or restore it later if you have the right permissions. That's all you need to do. By using the 3-dot menu, selecting Archive, and confirming the action, you can quickly keep your Confluence spaces tidy while still preserving important information in the background.